आज मैले क्लास 12 टेक्निकल स्ट्रिमको फिजिक्सको मोडल क्वेसन लिएर आएको छु। फुल मार्क्स 75, पास मार्क्स 75 को 35% टाइम 3 आवर्स। ग्रुप ए मा मल्टिपल चोइस क्वेसन 11 वटा दिएको छ। त्यसैले हामी ग्रुप बी मा सर्ट आन्सर क्वेसन जान्छौं। डिफाइन टर्क एन्ड कपल इन रोटेशनल मोसन, अल्सो डिराइभ एन एक्सप्रेसन फर द वर्क डन बाइ अ कपल। A bottle cap can be opened easily by using 2 fingers. Why? Explain the types of liquid meniscus in accordance with angle of contact. How does the angle of contact of a liquid depend on temperature? And the angle of contact for a solid and a liquid is less than 90 degrees. Will the liquid wet the solid? Will the liquid rise in the capillary made of the solid? यहाँ choose question पनि दिएको छ। And 14 number of flute is important musical instrument in Nepal. Find the frequency of vibration in different mode for a closed organ pipe. Calculate the frequency of a sound produced by a 25 cm long organ pipe open at both ends and being played in the first harmonic. Velocity of sound in ear 342 meter per second. 15 number ma discuss a similarity between interface and diffraction. 16 number what are the possible independent loops to apply the Kirchhoff law in given circuit? Write the voltage and current relation in them using Kirchhoff rules in a circuit. Find 17 number state Biot-Savart law धेरै रिपिट भएको क्वेशन। 18 number dual photons have same mass. Explain. हामी ग्रुप सी मा लङ आन्सर क्वेशनमा जान्छौं। लङ आन्सर क्वेशन हाम्रो 3 वटा हुन्छ अनि यसमा हाम्रो 24 मार्क्स क्यारी गर्ने क्वेशन हुन्छ लङ आन्सर क्वेशनमा। त्यसपछि अरु बाँकी रहेको क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ यतापटि रहेको छ। Why do we prefer potentiometer than a voltmeter to measure the potential difference accurately? How do you determine the internal resistance of a cell using potentiometer? Explain. What is potential gradient of a potentiometer wire? If we have to measure the potential difference more accurately, do we need to increase or decrease the length of potentiometer wire? Why? एउटा चुज क्वेशन पनि दिएको छ। What is the principle of potentiometer? What is the advantages of using a greater length of potentiometer wire? Why do we prefer potentiometer to measure an EMF of cell than a voltmeter? Write two possible cause for one-sided deflection in potentiometer experiment. The potentiometer wire AB shown in figure is 50 cm long when AD 30 cm. No deflection occurs in the galvanometer. Find the value of R. तपाईहरु सबैजनालाई एक्जामको बेस्ट अफ लक।